Recording.
Hey! Woo-hoo! Welcome to the good side of the Foothills Parkway. We just did the south side. Now we're headed to Weir's Valley. Hopefully we can get lunch at Elvira's today. That is the goal. If you all are lucky, my battery will hold out and you'll be able to get the whole ride all the way up to Elvira's. But if you don't, it's at the stop sign, take a left and go about maybe 3 miles. Elvira's is on the left. Stop sign, take a left, go about 3 miles. Go ahead and Google Elvira's in Weir's Valley. They got some pretty good reviews. The farther north that we've gotten today, the better the weather has gotten. I gotta say, the sun's out. It's June 2nd and the temperature is 68 degrees. It was terrible in Tellico Plains. Got me thinking about food, and I'm not thinking about the road. I'm really hungry right now. Man, look at that view. I wish you guys could see the view through the trees. There's no way the camera can focus in on that, but today the Smoky Mountains look amazing. Look at that. Yeah. Hit me up. We'll go for a ride. have been no shortage of those things out here today. That tells me everybody who's my age is out here riding their Can-Am. Yeah, I'm a little bit leery about bridges after my crash. Bridges and right-handers. Oh shit, a bear. Check that out. Check that out. Come on, y'all. Tell me that is not cool. I'm going back. Don't worry, I'm going back. Hopefully that V4 didn't scare it off. Look at that. That is the coolest thing on the planet. That is cool. Hi, bear. That is so cool. That is so cool. All right, now we got to turn back around. So cool. I'm here to tell you that's rare. Seeing a turkey in the mountains, yeah, not so rare. Deer are everywhere, but to actually see a black bear in person hanging out on the side of the road eating, he's just cute and cuddly, isn't he? Look at him. There he goes. So cool. That is so cool. All right, I gotta go back to work now. That was cool. I feel like the pace is about to pick up.